Hey, these are the hardwood floors we just refinished.
For the second time. We spent a lot of money on these floors, so we're gonna enjoy the out of them. What's up, Flip Fam? I'm Trav and this is Kay.
And you heard us right, we got our floors refinished not once, but twice.
We had so much fun doing it the first time, we decided to do it twice.
Yeah, actually the contractor that we hired the first go around did not do a very good job. The floors were very uneven, they were gritty, not smooth, and the polyurethane just started coming up, so just not a good job.
Yeah, unfortunately that's what happens whenever you're renovating houses. Eventually you will run into a contractor that does not deliver as promised. Could and should we have done the work? Yeah. Did I want to spend 5 days doing it? No, I didn't.
Even though we're flipping this house, we did not feel comfortable selling it with these floors in that condition.
So we had someone else redo our floors, and this time they turned out fantastic. I still didn't want to do the work myself, and it does suck having to pay someone to do it twice, but at least now the floors were done correctly and they look great. We decided to go with a darker stain this time, so we thought a little bit of a stain would help everything blend.
It was a little bit of a shock at first to go with the darker colors, but it's really grown on me, and I think whoever decides to get this house will really like it.
All right, so we'll let you take a look at the floors, see what you think for yourself, and then we've just got a few things to do around the house, tidy up, make it presentable, because we've got a friend coming over to take some pictures because we were listing the house this week.
Freaking excited!
And I'm so excited because it's taken so long and I'm just ready to get this house on the market. And in the meantime, we're gonna hit the road, get our asses out of town and go relax and not do any sort of home renovation whatsoever. So we really didn't have a plan. We just knew we wanted a change of scenery. So we're really excited to get out of town. We're gonna head to a beach house. We're gonna stay socially distant, but I'm looking forward to just kicking back and doing nothing. And if you're curious about my face wound, I took a cedar plank to the face. I was trying to do some wood shake on an outbuilding we've got to make it look like less of an eyesore. That's ironic, eyesore. But luckily it wasn't my eye, it was just my beautiful, beautiful face. The worst part is I had safety glasses. They were just on my head and not my eyes, which rendered them useless. Hazards of the job, I guess. Oh well. Well, there's really not a lot to do in 2020. As it turns out, golf courses are still open. The thing is, we suck at golf. Have you ever noticed the drive back always seems like it takes twice as long even though it's the same distance?
I don't want to go home.
Yeah, I don't either. But we do have some stuff we need to finish up around the house.
Technically, we still haven't finished our second bathroom yet.
Yeah, so we gotta take care of that. Also, I am running as soon as we get home because between COVID and vacation, started to let myself go a little bit. Now that we're back, we have a few things left to do before we are completely finished, but the good news is the hard part is over. So we will have more time freed up to get you guys some extra videos. We plan on keeping you updated to the entire listing process, and when we finally sell it, what we sold it for, profit, and all the other juicy details. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on that.
And speaking of subscribers, while we were gone, we reached 1,000 subscribers. A 1,000 subscribers is huge. Thank you guys so much for your support. It's so cool to see that you guys are interested in what we're doing.
We were so stoked to hit that milestone, so we want to do something fun to celebrate. Maybe we'll do a giveaway or something else. Let us know what you think we should do in the comments. I think that's it. We might go for a run to get rid of some of these vacation calories, but other than that, we will catch you on the flip side.